Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss how to score more marks in English for class 10. First, we will discuss about the reduced syllabus of this year. Unit 1 Prose is First Flight. Poem Life. Supplementary The Tempest. Grammar Modals Active and passive voice. In Unit 2, we are having only supplementary, zigzag, grammar, articles, proportional phrases. In Unit 3, prose, empowered women navigating the world, poem, I am every woman, grammar, tense. In Unit 4, prose, the attic, grammar, phrases and classes, conjunctions, nominalization. Unit 5 Prose Tech Bloomers, poem, The Secret of the Missions, grammar, pronouns, reported speech. In Unit 6 Prose The Last Lesson, grammar, subject, verb agreement, non-finites. In Unit 7 Grammar, simple, complex and compound. In part 1, there are 14 questions asked from the book back exercises. First 3 questions is synonyms, next 3 questions is antonyms, 7th one is plural form, 8th one either may be in prefix or suffix, and 9th one abbreviation. In part 1, 10th question is phrasal verb, 11th question compound word, 12th one is preposition, 13th question tense form, and finally the 14th question is from linkers. In part 2, we have 4 sections. Section 1 and 2 from prose and poem, which includes 4 questions. You can attend any 3 in each section. Section 3 is about grammar. Out of 5 different topics, you can attend any 3 questions. In section 3 grammar, the 23rd question is active and passive voice. 24th question indirect speech. 25th question punctuate. 26th question simple sentence, and last the 27th question is from rearrange the following. Coming to section 4, we are having roadmap. For this question we are getting 2 marks. With this we completed our part 2. Let's move on to part 3, which consists of 5 sections. In section 1, 4 questions in prose. Out of 4, you have to write any 2. Next 2 questions from poem paragraph. And another 2 is poetic lines and paraphrase the following. Out of these 4, you have to attend any 2. Moving on to the next section 3, we have questions from supplementary. 37th question, rearrange the following. 38th question, read the following passage and answer the question. In this 2, you have to attend 1. In section 4, we have 6 questions each. The 39th question, advertisement. 40th question, letter writing. 41, notice making. 42, picture comprehension. 43, summary writing. And finally, 44, correct the error. These are skill-based questions. To attend this, go through the workbook and textbook exercises. Finally, section 5, the 45th question, memory poem, which is a compulsory question from Unit 1, 3 and 5. The last part of the question paper, Part 4, it includes developing the hints from supplementary. Answer any question either 46th A or 46th B. Next, the paragraph question, one from prose and one from poem. Here also you are having either or choice whether you can attend a paragraph in prose or a paragraph in poem. So, this is your question paper pattern. We will discuss it in detail. Part 1, 14 marks. Part 2, 20 marks. Part 3, 50 marks. And Part 4, 16 marks. Give equal importance to all the parts given. In Part 1, we have 3 questions in synonyms and 3 questions in antonyms. Let's see the example of each questions. Question number 1, synonyms. Example, the mother seagull scooped upwards. What is the exact synonym of the word scooped? Yes, you are right. C is the right answer. Move very quickly. Coming to fourth question, antonyms. Example, the sun was soothing. Here, what is the exact antonym for soothing? The answer is D, burning. Like this, you have to attend the 6 questions, 3 in synonym and 3 in antonyms. Coming to 7th question, plural form. Example, choose the correct plural for form of chair. The right answer is A, chairs. Like this, you have to mark the answers in a correct way. 8th question, either from prefix or from suffix. Form a derivative by adding suffix to the word slave. The right answer is slavish. The answer is B. 9th question, abbreviation. The common expansion of GPS is Global Positioning System. For that, you have to mark B correctly. Phrasal verb. There will be a dash in the office next week. There will be a shutdown in the office next week. 11th question, compound word. Example, choose the suitable option that do not pair with life to form a compound word. Keenly observe children, life skill is a pairing word. Lifetime is also a pairing word. Lifeboat, we can also say that word. But life leave, we may not. So, leave is the do not pair word for this particular compound word, life. So, D is the right answer. 12th question, preposition. He was near the sea now. C is the correct answer. 13th question, tense form. It is pouring outside now. Is pouring is the right answer. 14th question, linkers. Call me in case you need money. So, C is again the right answer here. In part 2, question number 15 to 18, go through the units 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. For question number 19 to 22, go through the units in poem 1, 3 and 5. From question number 23 to 27, that is active or passive voice, indirect speech, punctuate, simple sentence and rearrange the following. Go through the book bag grammars in unit 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 and in your workbooks. Finally, go through the roadmap for the 28th question to answer. For this, you have to refer textbook unit 6 and workbook exercises. Coming to part 3, question number 29 to 32, read paragraphs from prose unit 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Question number 33 and 34 is from poem paragraph. Then the 35th and 36th question is also from poem, where you will be answering, read the stanza and answer the questions and also paraphrasing the stanza. Answer any two out of these 4 questions. In the last section of this part, 37 and 38th question is rearrange the following and read the following passage and answering the question. There again you will choose any one out of 2 questions. Coming to section 4 in part 3, we have already mentioned about skill-based question. Refer to all these topics in the textbook. In section 5, the compulsory question. Question number 45th, memory poem. For this, you have to go through the units 1, 3 and 5. Final part of the question paper is part 4. 46th question, we have developing the hints from supplementary. Thoroughly read all the supplementary story to attend this question number 46A or 46B. Final question of the paper as a choice. You can either attempt read the paragraph and answer the questions or read the poem and answer the questions. For this, you have to read prose 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you are interested in answering 47th A, or if you like to answer 47th B, go through the poem paragraphs 1, 3 and 5. For these questions, you are getting 8 marks each. So, hope you all understand this question paper pattern explanation. Thank you for listening this. All the best for your exams.